Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device supports internal audio capture and selecting the correct recorder. Enable the built-in recorder or install a trusted app. Make sure OS and app permissions allow audio access. If on desktop, install and enable a virtual audio driver or loopback tool and set it as default playback device. Once done, open System Sound Settings and choose the Recorder app as the audio source so internal playback routes into the recorder. This creates the capture path you'll use next. Now you configure routing and audio levels to ensure clean internal capture. In Sound Settings, set the virtual audio driver as the default playback and set the same virtual device as the recorder's input. In your Screen Recorder app, choose Stereo Mix or the loopback device and mute physical microphones to prevent echo. Once set, play test audio and monitor with headphones. Adjust gain to keep peaks around 0 dB to -6 dB. Make small level tweaks and lock settings before recording. Begin with a short test recording and immediately check playback to confirm internal audio is present and in sync. If you notice latency, reduce buffer size or enable any use system clock or low latency options in the app. Resample settings can fix drift. Once satisfied, record your full session. If you get no audio, recheck app permissions, confirm the virtual device remains default for playback/recording, and reinstall or update the loopback driver. That one step fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.